Who introduced gold coins for regular use in India? Bhim Codfices. Which inscription contains the name of Ashoka? Gurjar. By which Charter Act British East India Company lost the monopoly of tea trade? Charter Act 1813. Famous medieval saint Shankar Dev belonged to which cult? Vaishnav cult. In 1905, the Revolutionary Association Abhinava Bharat was set up in which state? Maharashtra. What was the original name of Genghis Khan? Genghis Khan. Temujin. Temujin or Temujin. The theme of Bankim Chandra Chatterjee's famous novel Anandamath is based on Sannyasi revolt. Who described Jinnah as the ambassador of Hindu-Muslim unity? Sarojini Naidu. In 1893, Tilak converted the Ganapati celebration into a public ceremony by drawing inspiration from the Muslim festival of Muharram. The first census of India was held in the time of Lord Mayo. The original founder of the manuscripts and editors of Kautilya's Arthashastra was Rudrapatnam Samsastri. Who was the British Prime Minister at the time of 1857 revolt? Peggerstone. Who was the British Prime Minister at the time of 1857 revolt? Peggerstone. Name the association for women which was the first to be founded by the women. Bharat Stree Mahamandal. The earliest Sanskrit plays were written by Ashwaghosh. The largest botanical garden of the world is at Kew, England. Which type of forests are found in Western Ghats? Evergreen forest. The main reason for the decrease in biodiversity is habitat destruction. Which is a volcanic island of India? Barren Island. Which Indian river is called the Ganga of South? Godavari. Which coast of India is located between Krishna Delta and Cape Comorin? Coromandel coast. Which is the highest volcanic mountain of the world? Mount Cotopaxi. Which lake is called the Pearl of Siberia? Baikal Lake. Which dam is built across Betwa River? Rajghat Dam. Which European city is also called as the Queen of Adriatic Sea? Venice, Italy. Name the place in Uttarakhand which receives highest rainfall. Narendranagar, Pauri. Sona Nadi Wildlife Reserve is located in which district of Uttarakhand? Pauri Gharwal. Which is a biodiversity saturated area in India? Biodiversity saturated area in India, Western Ghats. World's highest waterfall is situated in which country? Venezuela. Which continent is known as the land of thousand language? Land of thousand language. Africa. Deccan Plateau is an example of tilted plateau. Which South American river crosses an extensive desert before it reaches the sea? Colorado. Volcano Mount Etna is situated in which country? Italy, Europe. Which article of Indian Constitution vests in the President of India the power to issue ordinance? Article 123. The provision of just and humane conditions of work is described in which article of the Constitution? Article 42. Right to information is a legal right. The provision of free and compulsory education to children is described in which article of the Constitution? Article 45. Under the guidelines of which article have the state government accepted the policy of prohibiting the transfer of land from tribals to non-tribals? Article 46. Who was the chairman of the 4th State Finance Commission of Uttar Pradesh? Atul Gupta. What is the minimum age limit to contest presidential election in India? 35 years. Who was the first tribal speaker of the Lok Sabha? P.A. Sangma. Which 5-year plan had a unique feature to lay down specific targets for each state in consultation with the state government? 10th plan. What is the age limit of retirement for the justice of the High Courts? 62 years. By the provisions of which act the Supreme Court was established in India? Regulating Act of 1773. The parliamentary provision for the calling attention notices was first made in the year 1954. Who admits a new state to the Union of India? Parliament. Who has got the power to create All India Service? Parliament. In which year were the states reorganized on a linguistic basis? 1956. In which year were the states reorganized on a linguistic basis? 1956.